How to fix the Xbox app not opening issue on your Windows 11. Hello everyone and let's get started. So let's try to fix this Xbox issue by following some of the few solutions. So for the first one, you have to open the Task Manager. Click on the search bar and search for Task Manager. Now from the list of apps, search for the Xbox app, right click on it and then you have to click on End Task. Once this is done, you can open the Xbox again. For the next solution, you have to search for services.msc from the search bar. Now you have to search for the game services. Once you have found the game app services, right click on it and click on Restart. Do the same for the Xbox services as well. For the Xbox Accessories Management Service, right click and Restart. Once you have done so, you can try connecting to Xbox again and this should probably fix the problem. However, if the issue still exists, you can go to your apps and do some changes and repair the app itself. For that, right click on the Start button and go to Settings. Once you have opened the settings, from the left side of the screen, go to Apps. Then after, click on Installed Apps. On the search bar, search for the Xbox application. Once you have done so, click on the three dots right beside the application's name and go to Advanced option. Make sure that all the app permission is given. Scroll down a bit and click on Repair. Once you have done so, you can even try to reset the device. Once you have done so with the application, it should probably fix the issue. However, if the issue still exists, you can uninstall the Xbox application and install it again from the Microsoft Store. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.